Hey, it's Matt for Miller's Auto Recycling here. Today we have a 2022 Toyota Corolla, stock number 263019, and it's been in a rear end collision. This vehicle comes equipped with a 1.8 liter naturally aspirated engine, and there's no damage to the front, and it's running good. This comes with black cloth seats with manual adjustment, and this engine has 152,434 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to give Miller's Auto Recycling a call for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching.